Okay, good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
So we are going to debate. The topic is social media is forbidden for primary student because primary school or for primary school student. So my opinion or my statement, social media should be strictly forbidden for primary school children because they lack the critical thinking skills and life experience needed to distinguish between right and wrong at such a young age. They are highly impressionable and vulnerable to harmful content, cyberbullying, and online predators. Exposure to unfiltered information can negatively impact their mental and emotional well being, shaping their perceptions in ways they are not yet equipped to handle. Instead of allowing social media, parents or educators should focus on fostering real world interaction and age appropriate learning to ensure their healthy development. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Tony. But I disagree with your opinion because social media is not just a source of entertainment. Social media can also serve as a learning tool and a way to explore the world if used under proper supervision. Banning it altogether can actually leave children unprepared for the rapidly evolving digital age. In addition, with proper guidance from parents and teachers, children can learn to use social media responsibly. Thank you.
Thank you for your opinion, Ajis, but I'm not sure for that because elementary school are particularly vulnerable to the negative impact of social media, such as cyberbullying, exposure to inappropriate content, and the risks of online predators. This ban aims to protect them from these dangers, which can interfere with their emotional and physiological development. Research published in the journal Cyber Behavior and Social Network that discussion the relationship between social media use and children's mental health. Children often compare themselves to edit images and seemingly perfect lives and social media, which can lead to feelings of low self esteem. At elementary school, its direct social interaction is essential for the development of social and emotional skills. Social media can hinder face to face interaction, which is essential for learning empathy, communication, and other social skills. Thank you.
Okay, Esther, that's a good statement, but I don't agree. Because providing social media for primary school students is not an effective solution, because social media has several benefits for their development. Especially in this digital era, it cannot be denied that the digital world is important to them to understand because they are the ones who will face all the technology that we will develop in the future. Therefore, prohibiting them from using social media is not only ineffective but can also harm their development. There are several points that justify why social media should not be forbidden. First, social media can be a means for them to gain learning, as there are many digital platforms that provide educational content. And then, social media can also develop their creativity, increase their self confidence, and improve their communication skill. Rather than completely prohibiting it, it is better for primary school students' social media use to be supervised by their parents and teachers. Providing digital education is necessary so they have an understanding of the limitation in using social media and are responsible for what will come from what they do on social media. In this case, parents must be fully involved in providing education and supervision to their children so they can use social media wisely and according to their needs. That's my opinion.
Thanks for this little opinion, and I will reject that because you said before social media is good for children character development, academic development, but I think it's not. We know the primary school is usually their age is around 7 to 13 years old. That's so important to parents know what is social media using for, because what, even the social media term of service is not letting the under 18 years old social media players to using the social media. So it's one, and the next, Deslita said before, parents will be must seeing their children well while use social media, but our topics is not parents parents who educate children to use social media. So my opinion to reject this little opinion is elementary school is not good using the social media. Thanks.
Okay, thank you for Benjamin. But I will disagree with the statement of Benjamin's statement because social media can be a tool of education and creativity. Social media is not filled with the negative content, but also has many educational benefits. Children can learn through educational video, participate in learning communities, and develop their creativity by sharing their artwork of or projects. With parental guidance and supervision, social media can be a useful learning tool. Thank you.
Thank you, Nazif, but I disagree with Nazif's opinion because social media can be addictive, which can interfere with children's sleep patterns, concentration, and physical activity. Use social media is also associated with increased risks of anxiety and depression in children. According to UNICEF report on children safety online, primary school children often lack the ability to distinguish between safe and dangerous information online, leaving them vulnerable to cyberbullying. Children may not understand the implication of sharing personal information on social media, which can compromise their privacy and security. This ban aims to protect their personal information from potential misuse. So, a social media ban can give children more time to focus on education, physical activity, and healthy social interaction. This can help them develop their interests and talents in other, more beneficial areas. Thank you.
Okay, thank you for Shakira opinion, but I disagree with your opinion because social media help children stay in touch with family and friends, strengthening their social skill and relationship. Instead of banning it, we should get them to use it wisely and responsibility. With proper supervision, social media can be safe space for a learning and communication. A complete ban would only limit their opportunities for their interaction. So, for this reason, we strongly oppose the motion. Rather than banning social media for children, we should teach children how to use it safely. Thank you.
So this is the good debate. We used to debating this topic because it's so important for our generational academic and character development. So thanks for our time. I hope we will see you again in next time. Thank you.
Thank you.